Team forecast with Jesse Gunkel.
Welcome back. Well, it's been a pretty cloudy day for the most part. Obviously, we had to deal with some light to moderate rain out there. Nothing major today. Most of the rainfall should be holding off until after midnight this evening. Still warm, still breezy out there. As you notice, we'll look for those clouds to stick around tonight. Chance for a little bit of fog as you see off in the distance, even getting a little bit hazy at this hour. Obviously, that will be the concern as visibility levels will drop. Again, that chance for some rain early tomorrow morning, and therefore that could add a little bit of a concern out there. Maybe the possibility of some wet roads, so please, again, drive with caution. Live tower cam just showing you those hazy conditions right now. We currently sit at 72. Very warm out there. Winds out of the south-southeast at about 9 miles per hour. But big picture, you see all that warm air quickly heading northbound. Little Rock coming in at 69, 67 in Memphis, Nashville, even at 58 at this hour. 72 currently for us, and a lot of that warmer air continues to kind of move its way in from the southwest. Tomorrow we're going even warmer during the afternoon. Tonight, very mild, upper 60s out there, cloudy with the possibility of some rain by sunrise. Headline-wise, scattered showers tonight, off and on rain tomorrow. Keep an eye on Wednesday into Thursday as we do have the possibility of some severe weather. Looks like the latest timing is probably just before midnight going into Wednesday, and then once that cold front pushes through, well, we get back to a nice dry pattern for the weekend, but we also get back into a cool picture as we could once again see our overnight lows in the low 40s and possibly even upper 30s. Satellite and radar picture, you see that front driving towards the northeast. Notice even a tornado watch out along that front. Well, eventually that front will push through. Again, for us, it's probably not going to happen until early on Thursday. As you look at your Doppler radar picture, again, so far we've got a little bit of light to moderate rainfall out there. Eventually that line starts to shift a little bit further south. And as you see here, a couple of showers possible for the morning hours, some light showers, nothing expected to be much going into the afternoon. The majority of the heavy rainfall, obviously, that will arrive on Wednesday when we can see a couple strong thunderstorms out there. Notice a couple in the mix here, kind of indicated by that purple, showing you that maybe a storm or two could even be on the violent side. And then as we make our way into late Wednesday, I think that's that main wave that drives through. That's where we're going to see that heavy rainfall along with the possibility of widespread severe weather. Then it quickly dries through, a little bit of cloud cover, but at least we get back to a dry pattern just in time for the weekend. So here you go. We've got a marginal risk for tomorrow going into Wednesday. That's mainly for northern portions of the viewing area, mainly isolated. However, the concern is Wednesday going into early Thursday as we do sit under a slight risk. And as you see here, all modes of severe weather are possible. I think the greatest threat is going to be heavy rainfall. But again, we have that chance for maybe one or two kind of spin-ups in the mix, and that's why we can't even rule out the possibility of an isolated tornado. So rain likely Tuesday, Wednesday, very early on Thursday, but a nice dry pattern moving into the weekend. But I do want to point out for at least the next 48 hours, the concern will be rather high for some areas to see multiple inches of rainfall. We're talking most areas seeing 1 to 2 inches, but there could be localized areas seeing 2 to even 4 inches of rainfall. That again could wiggle a little bit, so that could shift a little bit further south. But the main thing is, again, heavy rainfall is possible. That could lead to some localized flash flooding. Tonight, 67 degrees out there. Look for some rain, mainly after midnight. Look for some areas of fog. We partnered up with iHeartRadio Baton Rouge to get your weather on the go. And here's that extended picture. We've got 79, a very mild day tomorrow, cloudy with a little bit of light rain. Overnight lows mid-60s. Look for those storms to move in on Wednesday with that main wave arriving Wednesday night into early on Thursday. We go from 74 to 65 out there. Stay weather aware. And then notice Friday and Saturday looking pretty good. Highs in the 60s, but overnight lows dropping into the low to mid 40s. Portions of the viewing area could even flirt with the 30s again. And also remember, it is daylight saving time, so we spring forward, which means we lose an hour of sleep. Also, it says severe weather aware on Wednesday. We also have our severe weather special that we'll be airing at 6:45. So, and that's online. So make sure you go to beourproud.com and also check your blood pressure.
So we got a couple hiccups in the road this week, but this weekend was beautiful. Looks like we're going to have another beautiful weekend. It's the same pattern. We just got to get through the rain.
We plan it for the weekend. We get through the rough stuff during the week.
All right. Thanks, Jesse. Coming up next, we're going to check in with Sports Director Brian Holland. He has a look at your Go Nation Sports Report.